Adding Python in PyCharm involves setting up a Python interpreter for your project. Here's how to do it. Install PyCharm. Download and install PyCharm from the official website. Install Python. Ensure Python is installed on your system. If not, download and install it from python.org. Open PyCharm. Launch PyCharm on your computer. Create or open a project. Create a new project by selecting New Project, or open an existing project by selecting Open from the welcome screen. Open Project Settings. Go to File, Settings. Navigate to Python Interpreter Settings. In the Settings or Preferences dialog, navigate to Project, Python Interpreter. Add New Interpreter. Click on the gear icon next to the current interpreter drop-down menu. Select Add from the drop-down menu. Choose Interpreter Type. Select the type of interpreter you want to add. Virtual ENV environment. Create a new virtual environment or use an existing one. Conda environment. Use a Conda environment if you have Anaconda installed. System interpreter. Select the system-wide Python installation. Select the interpreter. For a system interpreter, click System Interpreter and locate your Python executable. For virtual environments or Conda environments, follow the prompts to create or select the appropriate environment. Apply and confirm. Click OK to confirm your selection and apply to save the settings. PyCharm will configure the selected interpreter for your project. Verify configuration. Verify that the correct interpreter is set by checking the Python interpreter settings under File, Settings, Project, Python Interpreter.